Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to use Coinbase to buy Bitcoin. Start by creating an account, verifying your identity, and linking a payment method. Next, deposit funds or use your card to place a buy order. Choose market or limit orders, set the amount of BTC you want, and review fees before confirming. After purchase, consider transferring to a private wallet for long-term storage and security. I'll walk you through placing a buy order on Coinbase in simple steps. First, open the Buy/Sell tab and pick Bitcoin as your asset. Enter the dollar amount or BTC you want to buy and choose the linked bank or card. Check the total, including any fees and network costs, then confirm the purchase. Your Bitcoin appears in your Coinbase wallet after the transaction completes, usually within minutes. Keep your crypto safe with a few practical habits I use every day. Turn on two-factor authentication and use a unique password for Coinbase. For larger balances, move Bitcoin to a hardware wallet rather than leaving it on the exchange. Always verify recipient addresses and test small transfers first. Finally, keep recovery phrases offline and stored securely to prevent loss or theft in the future.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.